In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field optional in DocuSign. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed some flexibility in your document signing process, this is exactly what you need. DocuSign is a powerful tool that allows users to streamline and manage electronic agreements efficiently, but sometimes not all fields are necessary for every recipient. Let's walk through the process of making a field optional, step by step. First, you'll need to access the document you wish to modify. Log into your DocuSign account and navigate to your documents. Select the document you're working with to open it in DocuSign's editing interface. If you're not familiar with this interface, don't worry. It's user-friendly and designed to help you make changes effortlessly. Now that your document is open, it's time to select the field you want to adjust. This could be any field, such as a signature, date, or text box. Click directly on the field within your document. Clicking on it will highlight the field and bring up the Properties panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is essential, as it allows you to customize how each field behaves for the recipients of your document. Once you've selected your field, turn your attention to the Properties panel. Here, you'll see various options, but the one we're focusing on today is the Required Field checkbox. This checkbox controls whether the field must be completed by your recipients before they can finish signing the document. By default, many fields are set as required, meaning your recipients have to fill them out. However, if the information in this specific field can be optional, you can change that with a simple action. Locate the Required Field checkbox in the Properties panel. By default, it may have a check mark in it, indicating that the field is currently required. To make this field optional, simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. This action removes the requirement for the field, meaning recipients can choose not to fill it out if it's not applicable to them. With the box unchecked, your field is now optional. Recipients can decide for themselves if they need or want to complete it based on the context of the document. This flexibility can be crucial in certain situations, as it allows for a more tailored signing experience without unnecessary roadblocks. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the field's properties in your DocuSign document to make it optional. Remember, the ability to customize your documents in this way can be a tremendous asset, ensuring a smoother process for both you and your recipients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy signing!